In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find personal meeting ID in Zoom. We're going to do this from the Zoom website because it gives you a clear view of your meetings and their details. Open your browser and go to Zoom's official site. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so the options we use appear for you. Once you're on your account home, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section labeled My Products. This is your quick way to jump into the tools tied to your account. From there, choose Meetings. This takes you to a page that lists everything associated with your account: upcoming sessions, previous sessions, and, importantly, your personal meeting. If your goal is specifically to find your personal meeting ID, often called your PMI, you'll want to open the meeting labeled Personal Meeting or Personal Room. If you select any other scheduled meeting, you'll see that meeting's unique ID instead. Both IDs display in the same place we're about to open. The difference is which meeting you choose. Go ahead and select the meeting you want to inspect. You'll land on a summary view with key information. To see everything in full, click Details. This expands the complete set of options and fields for that meeting, including security settings, join links, and the meeting identifier. On the Details page, locate the field labeled Meeting ID. If you opened your personal meeting, this is your personal meeting ID. If you chose a scheduled session, it's that session's ID. In many cases, the ID may be partially hidden for privacy. That's normal. To reveal the full number, click Show. You'll now see every digit of the meeting ID. Take a moment to verify it matches what you expect. If you plan to share it, consider copying it carefully to avoid typos. Remember, your personal meeting ID is essentially a permanent room number, so only share it with people you trust. For extra security, make sure your meeting has a passcode or a waiting room enabled, especially when using your personal room. That's all there is to it. Go to Zoom on the web, open My Products, choose Meetings, select the meeting you want, open Details, find Meeting ID, and click Show to reveal it. If you ever need it again, return to the same place and you'll find it in seconds. Thanks for watching. If this helped you locate your personal meeting ID quickly, feel free to replay this walkthrough anytime you need a refresher.